screams our shame. Mother Nature won't forgive the game. We sold the earth for a fleeting gain. Now there's nothing left but toxic rain. Look to the hills, once alive with song, now silent echoes of what went wrong. We can change.